हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम बनाएंगे जीएसटी कैलकुलेटर। जैसा कि आप अभी मेरे स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, ऐसे के बाद हम क्लियर करेंगे। तो फिर चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं फ्रेंड्स। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे जीएसटी कैलकुलेटर और मैं जी सेल से सिलेक्ट करके इसको मर्ज एंड सेंटर करके मैं येलो कलर कर दूंगा। देन आइटम, देन रेट, जीएसटी रेट, टैक्स अमाउंट, टोटल अमाउंट, देन डिस्काउंट अमाउंट, इस सेल को हम थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे, देन नीड अमाउंट। फिर तो हमने इसमें आने लिया। अब हम लोगों को डाटा बनना है जो हम लोग अभी लिखेंगे। तो फिर चलिए डाटा को लिखते हैं। टीवी rate is 30,000, GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 1,000. Then AC, its amount is 25,000, and GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 750. Then LCD, its amount is 15,000, and GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 500. Then DVD, its rate is 9,000, and GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 450. Then LED, its amount is 20,000, and GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 700. Then laptop, its amount is 35,000, and GST rate is 5%, and its discount amount is 1,050. So now we have to find out tax amount. So here we insert formula. So its formula is equal to rate into GST rate. Then enter. So TV tax amount is 1,500. Then you copy this and paste here. So all the items tax amount is find out. Then we have to find the total amount. So again we insert formula. So its formula is equal to rate plus tax amount and enter. So TV with total amount is 31,500. So again we copy this and paste here. So all items total amount will be find out. So now we have to find out need amount. So again we insert formula. So its formula is equal to total amount minus discount amount. Then enter. So TV discount need amount is 30,500. So again we copy this and insert here and copy and paste here. So then we select this table and here we select all models. So table is ready. So thank you to watch this video.